Hey, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Good evening. This is Eddie Harvey from TradeWithEd.com. Excuse me. Hey, guys, listen, I want to really quickly, just talk about an exciting new product from IM Mastery Academy. The name of this product is Delorean, guys. And listen, like my title says, you're talking about 700 trades a week that you can potentially take with this product, okay? 700 setups a week is insane. So if someone's sitting up there talking about, there's no trade setups, nothing in the market, nah. This product is going to prove you wrong. So let's log in really quickly, guys. And I just want to show the product here really quickly. At the time of this video, product has only been launched. It's been pretty much a week. It's been a week now, and the company is offering a free 30-day trial of the product. So I'm coming here into my back office. I'm gonna go. Everything's new, guys. Rebranding of the company, pretty much a new company in a sense. So I'm gonna go over here to I'm gonna go to products. Go to products, guys, and I'm gonna scroll down here, pick my weapon of choice, and I'm gonna talk about Delorean. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's 12 products total, guys. 3, 6, 9, 10. Yeah, one. I'm missing some in here, but anyway, 12 different products, guys, you're able to tap into. So one of those, I'm going to click on Delorean. Now here it is. This little info on it. An algorithm that take an algorithm taking the guesswork out of finding your stop loss and take profit. Trading styles intraday. Average number of trades 700 a week. Educators of Patrick Kinney and Tyrone Foster. Language is English. 8 hours a week. What makes your product unique? It will show a trader hundreds of possibilities each day, allowing the trader to curate a strategy specific to their own style. What features of the product include integrated charts, alert panel, and session timer. So that is pretty awesome as well. So I want to check Delorean out. I'm going to click on here, guys. Take me up to Delorean inside of the IM Center. And if you can see, look at this alert panel just lit. Look at all of these setups. Oh my gosh, potential setups for you to be able to take. But I'm focused right now, guys, and I'm not about to dive into all of this right now. But this is insane. You have your alert panel. You have to go live. You have the training right now for this. You have help if you need help, and all the different products. I wanted to go over to another different product. I could, but just wanted to show what inside of DeLorean looked like a little bit, and the training right there will break down exactly the best route to go with this. So just want to share this, man. I hope you all got some value from this. Listen, IM is just crushing the game, guys. Continue to put out high quality products, also that are delivering you quantity in terms of the trades you can take and things of that sort, and what's the numbers, okay? So nothing out there like IM, guys. Listen, if you want to learn more about IM Mastery Academy, simply go to TradeWithEd.com, guys, or click the link below, and it'll take you right over to learn more about IM, the rebranding of products, everything it has made available to potential customers. So, guys, with that being said, I hope you all got value. If you did, hit the like button for me. You want to hear more from me, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Talk to you later. Have an amazing day.